how the power of minimalizing. Minimalizing is whereby we tend to remove the excess and living in a simple lifestyle. The mistake that we are currently living in the world of today, we believe in extra. We believe that you need to have more and forgetting that the essence of life or the essence of life is just living. I need you to learn the power of minimalizing and simplicity. The time we understand that it's more on what you need than what you want. The mistake that we tend to confuse the two, tend to go for what we want than what we need. Let's grow together as we learn more on this simple subject. That simplicity and minimalizing is what we need for now and for the future to come. Thank you for watching. My name is Innocent K, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.